after years of captivating the audience, KOFI ASANTE ENNIN has decided to hang his headphones. ADUANABA KOFI ASANTE ENNIN has decided to hang his headphones on AKOMA FM. Also on AKOMA FM for any view. It's you nim the intia wo jai bet me hu resignation letter no a metimi aka se me de beto tuntum media TV phone na hwefo ni say senior man no KOFI ASANTE ENNIN na ADUANABA wo jai AKOMA FM no free share FM no ba AKOMA FM say wo jai AKOMA FM wa resign okọ hefa ye beka ya ni say hu social media say na the videos and me say ya channel sofo or ye meted the sofo say a week or 2 weeks ago or a reverend minister of the Methodist Church of Ghana into no wajai ever ko disofo and so ko ye the bebro did the first time and I had news hard facts and the bebro na who dey ko so yen to so the reason for him resigning and some day we don't have it now. Medini na nasa semester na ye the filler panel bro filler I
and now we have your good news at the mount. The mount were very, very powerful good news at the mount. Now, and then she said, no, dear medical catcher say, Okusie Wumpia, and into a real MPA and say, me were the pad the mount. Mokaya, anytime be a KOFI ASANTE, me free be program so. Now member program no so. Now maybe POB programs. Now me wo good news and what the mammo. And indeed, I have a very, very powerful and a good news at the Maubi Biara. And I don't play with me live on AKOMA 87.9 FM.
Feel like pan bro. I said, I want to hear, and I did bro. To media, you're live on to media and you did. Have you heard the news? I'm sure you have heard the news. If you haven't heard the news, then just listen carefully. Debut section of Filler, and as I've heard the news, I say, me and my boss, KOFI ASANTE ENNIN, I didn't know I started, but if I say your board, my free feet in there. Because I say, you news about the car, and I find about the AD, and who jeans were neighbor. What I say, news say, ADUANABA KOFI ASANTE ENNIN. On the screen, so me and my boss, and I'm going to do AKOMA FM. Now, what jai AKOMA FM? What jai AKOMA FM? So I hope I'm Jamaican as a matter. ADUANABA KOFI ASANTE ENNIN has quit AKOMA FM.
Now we are there. I want to. KOFI ASANTE ENNIN me waha for good news. AKOMA FM a free bra ye peja AKOMA esi ho na ya ba Asante Mantem wa ya je Ghana boss so je Asante Mantem boss so no bia bisa 87.9 ye den KOFI anopana me ka e de a kire tiefo. Yeguso radio eye de etiefo pe e de dema wo mo ente dumre bi na etiefo edumre bi a na ma frɛ KOFI AKOMA FM radio mo ma ye wei na ye de mo pe e de amamo.
I can authoritatively say that he has quit AKOMA FM. So you find no enye a record no. So once ya first time hearing to media ye the full and bro dear once you know and and yes, you heard it right. ADUANABA KOFI ASANTE ENNIN has quit AKOMA FM. Yes, our beloved radio host. Yes, you know, KOFI ASANTE ENNIN, I remember KOFI ASANTE ENNIN who used to kakra, and I said, kakra. He's known for his powerful storytelling. He's a very good journalist. He's been in the fraternity for almost 20 years now. Now, multimedia in Shire FM or for almost 16 years. And I will free Hornum and I will buy AKOMA FM 2020 2024. You will free AKOMA FM. Now, I am fan of will free AKOMA FM or coin fan. Yeah, the bro. Anything I had feel like the bro. I swear I say. Filler. Yes. To media, bro. Filler, you know. I said, the top for me, you need Ghana cry, but I said, the top for me cry now. You better. What I say? And you know, you are sure to say we will give you authentic news and facts, hard facts. What I say? Yeah. And you know, yet first, let's just say, but in Missouri with Jai AKOMA FM 87.9, with Jai AKOMA FM St. John and I told one show so Adriana Kofi Asante said I tear for a follow the page. I almost say you can picture that flyer and so be most flyers na Bible tin na and you know that so anything no the air can say kokonsa de bro no and say Adriana Kofi Asante Ennin with Jai AKOMA FM sharp another Philip Pie question say US ham programs be so ekoso yeah and you know yet the echo nyina se be bro the be program no the we buy atade o share and pabo o share is in eba na ibechini ye be programs nyina summer jam eba and we na me MC na national your humble servant nyame adum me na nyagopo de mato no se be MC no it's no more support it's no that program dey live and colored Ghana for am US na Mr. Mo nyina mo mbra am support what I say na enye kama na enyo mbra obi ti say Yankasa, your new artist of the year. We Ghana. Your friend Ken Paluta. He's coming live in color. What I say? Oba live in sharp.
Hey yo, what's up? What do you say? This is your man Ken Paluta, aka Ken Paluta King. Charlie, on the 26th of July, Ken Paluta will be performing live in the USA, New York City. It's all about the Afrobeat Summer Jam happening live at the HK Hall, New York City, USA. Charlie, don't be left out. I can't wait to see you guys. Charlie, it's going to be massive. Please don't be left out. Call me numbers and let's make history together. It's your man Ken Paluta King. Ouch.
Yo, what's up? This your boy Last Mate. It's all about Afrobeat Summer Jam in New York. Charlie, get your ticket. Let's have fun on the 26th of July. Pull up. Church.
26th July. What I say? New York. Ken Paluta is making his debut arrival in New York. And it's never going to share and I am until Biambra sitting in Nigeria for a man for Ghana for me. I was putting money sharp. See ya.